In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add icon in text in Notion. We'll be working in the latest Notion interface, starting right from the home screen. And by the end, you'll know exactly how to drop icons right into your sentences, just like emojis, but using Notion's built-in picker. First, make sure you're on the Notion home screen. This is the main hub you see when you open Notion, with your recent pages and your sidebar on the left. From here, open any page where you want to add icons to your text. You can click on a page in the Recent section in the center or pick a page from the sidebar. It doesn't matter which one you choose as long as you can type in it. Once your page is open, click into any existing text block. That could be a heading, a paragraph, or even a checklist. If you don't have any text yet, just press Enter to create a new line, and Notion will give you a fresh text block to work with. The key thing is simply to make sure your blinking cursor is sitting where you want the icon to appear. Now you're going to trigger Notion's inline icon menu. To do this, type a colon, the same symbol you'd use when writing a time, followed immediately by the name of the icon you want. For example, you could type star with no space between the colon and the word. As soon as you start typing, Notion will open a small drop-down menu right under your cursor with matching icons. Look at that drop-down and use either your arrow keys or your mouse to move through the list. You'll see different options that match what you typed. If you're not seeing what you want, keep typing to narrow it down. For instance, typing OSTA will filter more specifically than just watch S. Take a moment here to pick the version of the icon that fits your style. When you've highlighted the icon you want, it's time to insert it into your text. Press Enter on your keyboard, or simply click the icon in the drop-down with your mouse. Notion will drop that icon directly into your sentence, right where your cursor was. You can keep typing normally afterwards, or repeat the colon shortcut to add more icons in line. And that's all you need to add icons into your text in Notion.